Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday and it is my first day back since surgery. I had surgery on June 1st, so it's been almost 2 weeks now. But everything went great and I'm healing really well. The recovery was really hard. It's very painful to recover from having a septoplasty. So if you ever have to get one, just be prepared. I would definitely have like a week that you have someone with you, like to just kind of help you out with things. And if you have kids, for sure you need somebody to help you out with them. So everything is great, healing well. I go back to the doctor next Wednesday to get my final clearance, like to make sure everything is healed completely. So I am cleared this week to work out. So today was my first day back. I did 2 miles and then an arm workout and an ab workout. So that is what I did. Last week I received my package from BPI Sports and in it was the 1MR that they're releasing. It's a pre-workout and I used it today and I felt amazing. Like, I obviously haven't worked out in 2 weeks, but I took it and I felt so energized and awake and alert throughout my whole workout. I felt very like strong and like I wanted to keep going, which I love. Like, I love when I'm in a workout and I'm just so focused on that workout, and that's how this morning was. The flavor of it's so good. This was apple pear, and at first when I tasted it, I thought it was going to be really sour. Like, the smell of it was really sour, but it's not sour at all. It has like a nice smooth taste to it. It's like apple at first and then pear afterwards, I guess. I don't know. That's how I would describe it, but it was so good and I just really liked it. So I wanted to let you guys know that today at 3 o'clock, if you head over to BPI Sports Facebook page, they are going to be having James Gregg answer all your guys' questions, and he will be giving a bottle of this away every 30 seconds. So it's an awesome opportunity for you guys to try it and use it in one of your workouts, see if you like it, and then you guys can go and order more. And today they'll be having a discount code that you guys are able to use. So be sure to head over there today, like I said, 3 o'clock on BPI Sports Facebook page, and try it out if you guys win. If not, then use the discount code to order some products. So this week I'm really focusing on slimming down. I have overindulged since I had my surgery. I decided not to count macros while I was on my off time and just take time to really like recover physically, mentally, and like prepare myself to be back at it this week. So that is what I decided to do, but that also comes with adding a little extra fluff on me. So we will be cutting this week. I'm joining the Tone It Up girls for a 7-day slim down and doing all their workouts this week along with lifting. So I'm super excited to be back, and I am ready to get ready for summer, even though it's kind of already summer, but I just need to shed some pounds and just tone up. So if you guys have any questions about the 1MR or any other BPI Sports products, feel free to comment below, or you can message me on Instagram or comment on anything on Instagram, and I'll be happy to help as much as I can. So I will see you guys later, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. Bye.